Hello there and welcome to my channel. I'm Marie. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Suzette stitch. I'm a very big fan of this stitch. I think it has such a beautiful texture and I've used it for a lot of different projects like cushion covers and washcloths and even a headband. It's also really easy and simple to make, so let's just get started. For this project, I'm going to use this wonderfully soft merino wool. It is Aran weight. And for this yarn, I will need a 5.5mm crochet hook. I will also need a darning needle to weave in the ends and some scissors to cut my yarn. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. So to make a slip knot, I'm going to form a loop, then place my working yarn behind the loop, grab the yarn through the loop with my hook and pull tight. And then I'm going to chain a multiple of 2. So for this little swatch, I'm just going to make 16 chains. So yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook 16 times. And I'm just going to be very careful not to make my chains too tight. To start the first row, I'm going to skip the first chain from the hook and make a single crochet into the second chain. So I will insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Then I will make a double crochet into that same chain. So yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Next, I'm going to skip the next chain and make a single crochet and a double crochet into that following chain. So insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, insert into that same chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, I'm going to skip the next chain and make a single crochet and a double crochet into the next chain. So again, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Then yarn over, insert into that same chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I will just repeat this process all the way across the row. So I will skip the next chain, make a single crochet and a double crochet into that following chain. Skip one, single crochet, and double crochet into the same chain, and repeat across. Skip one, single crochet, and double crochet into the same chain. Skip one, single crochet, and double crochet into the same chain, and repeat. And here at the end of the row, I should have 2 chains left. So I'm going to skip the next and make a single crochet into the very last chain. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And row 1 is now complete. So to start row 2, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And here at the beginning of row 2, I'm just going to make a single crochet and a double crochet into this very first stitch. So first, single crochet and then double crochet into the same stitch. And I will just repeat what I did in the previous row. So I will skip the next stitch, the double crochet here from the previous row, and make a single crochet and a double crochet into the next stitch. So single crochet and double crochet into the same stitch. Skip the next and single crochet and double crochet into the following stitch. Again, skip the next and single crochet and double crochet. And I will just repeat all the way across the row. So skip 1, single crochet and double crochet into the same stitch. And now that I've reached the end of the row, I only have 2 stitches left. So I'm going to skip the next stitch and make a single crochet into that very last stitch right here. And that's row 2 complete. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And from here, I'm just going to repeat row 2 until I have reached the desired length of my work. So single crochet into the first stitch and double crochet into that same first stitch. Skip the next and single crochet and double crochet into the following stitch, and repeat all the way across. And here at the very end, I'm just going to make a single crochet into the last stitch, and I'm going to fasten off my yarn. So I will cut, then yarn over and pull my yarn tail all the way through the loop on the hook and tighten the knot. And I will weave in the yarn tails on the back side. So just weave in through the stitches once and once again to secure the yarn. And that is it. We are all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps to support the channel and lets me know that you like this kind of content. So I hope to see you next time and have a great day. Goodbye.